Hey man, you a skateboarder?
Yeah!
Stuck inside depressed and can't skateboard? Your local skate parks are covered in sand and they're completely shut down.
Don't worry, be happy.
Braille Skateboarding released a quarter pipe for all your skateboarding troubles.
No way. Yeah.
So now you can skateboard at home.
Way.
So go order one now from Braille Skateboarding for $399, or you can go to Keen Ramps for $369. And you can also go to OC Ramps and they're $299 there, but mind you, these are all made out of wood. OC Ramps has all sorts of skateboarding boxes and rails for all your skateboarding needs. Can't forget FreshPark with their metal quarter pipe starting at $497. FreshPark offers all sorts of ramps, rails, wedges, and don't forget their ramps are foldable as well. Or you can make a homemade ramp, build it yourself, and it's going to cost around $187. You can look up ramp plans on Google, or you can look them up on YouTube.
Going on the. Oh yeah, completed.
Now you can skateboard at home, so there's nothing to be upset about.
Oh, my God.
Up on your plug, Randy Ballin', down. I don't know when.
So if you want to order yourself one of these ramps, go check out the links down in the description below. Please also like this video, share with your friends and family if you enjoyed it, comment down below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless you all and stay safe.